The Freelancer's Lament. Panicked in the morning, not knowing where to begin. My schedule is my schedule, not yours anymore. Time still falling like unsifted flour through a sieve. Though I never sift flour, just throw it in the bowl with the baking soda and hope for the best. Should I clean? At least the dishes. Not a shower. What's the point? Who will see me? No. Better get cracking. Check email. Just a quick one. The headlines like, wait, I forgot to meditate. Burn a candle. Some incense. A sacred dance. I should get up earlier. Crack it on. No pressure then. It's almost 10. Where are my angel cards? Pick one. Oh, no, not that one. Pick another one. Find me the I Ching. Online. It will give me sage advice. That thing coming up. I better get ready for that. But what will I wear? And my hair? It's hopeless. Can't afford something new? Should I sew the back of the dress? The one I kept together with a hair clip? The day of that wedding? I knew the hole was there. Just assumed no one else would notice. First thing, your skin is showing, the best man's wife said. Pretended to be surprised. Whipped a clip from my bag. And that was that. What's wrong with me? Tea. A weed in my tea, was it? Out of milk. Should I go get milk? Should we be drinking milk? Evil milk lobby. Poor cows. That's the problem with my vitamin D. Homogenized. Pasteurized. Vitamin D added. Where are those pills? The lovely raw milk at the Hollywood farmer's market. Surely there can't be more estrogen in soy than in the breast milk of cows. A website. I should make a website. I pay them to host that holding page. That nothing page that says, I'm too useless to get my own web page together. The web is useless. The internet. That time sucker. Oh, the clock. Check my email. One more time. Spy on strangers. Jezebel. The clock. I can't go on. I must go on. Let me check Craigslist for a job. Nothing. And begin.